Hey guys, I know a long time no see. My name is Courtney-Ann. Welcome back to the channel where we talk about business, entrepreneurship, finance, and real estate. Today we're visiting the city of Ensom City where we'll be viewing a property on the market. I think this is the perfect family home. You guys are gonna love this home. You guys always ask me to film more family units and I had to snap this one for you. So before we get started, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And let's get straight into the video. Alright guys, so that's the end of the property tour. Now comment below whether or not you would buy this house for 17.5 million. You guys know these houses don't stay on the market for long, so if you're interested in the property, go ahead and reach out to Mr. Ariel Mackenzie. Once again, thank you guys so much for watching the video and I'll see you guys next week.